Are you struggling to run XQuery on the command line? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to process XML files and you hit a wall. It can feel like you're stuck in a maze with no way out. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the situation. One user asked about running XQuery using Saxon but encountered an error stating, "Could not find or load main class net.sf.saxon.query." They also wondered if there's an easier way to run XQuery from the command line. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? The error message usually indicates that the Java class path isn't set up correctly. This can happen if the Saxon package isn't properly configured. But don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to fix this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can make running XQuery a breeze. To begin, the user needs to ensure that they have Java installed on their system. This is essential for running Saxon, as it is a Java-based tool. Next, the user should download the Saxon package from the official SourceForge page. Once downloaded, they need to extract the contents of the package. After extracting, the user must set the class path to include the Saxon jar file. This allows the command line to locate the Saxon classes when executing XQuery. Now, the user can run XQuery commands directly from the command line. They should use the Java command followed by the Saxon class and their XQuery file. Finally, if the user prefers a simpler option, they can consider using an online XQuery processor or an integrated development environment that supports XQuery without needing to set up Java. Fun fact, Saxon is named after the Saxon people, known for their contributions to early English history. Just like them, Saxon helps us navigate the complexities of XML. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to learn how to run Java applications from the command line. The user suggests following the installation steps for Saxon, ensuring Java is installed, and checking the class path for Saxon. If you encounter issues, provide detailed information about your setup. Another option is to use tools that avoid the command line. While Saxon doesn't offer a GUI, there are many tools available, both commercial and open source, that use Saxon as their engine. Some recommended tools include Oxygen, Stylus Studio, and Editix, with Kerno for Saxon as an open source option. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution is provided by a user who suggests using Exist, which supports XQuery 3.1. Exist comes with command line scripts that allow you to execute queries and access the database easily. Once connected, you can use various commands like ls to list collection contents, put to upload files, and find to execute XPath expressions. This makes it a user-friendly option for processing XML files. For more details, you can check the Exist documentation on using the command line client and executing queries. Here's a quick tip. If you find setting up Saxon too complicated, consider using an online XQuery processor. They can save you time and hassle. And there you have it. You should now be able to run XQuery from the command line without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!